Hey, this is Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at the all-new 2021 Forest River Cherokee 306 MM Black Label. We'll go ahead and start off right here at the front of the unit. As you can see, it does have a large storage space. Now with the Black Label, what that means is many of your Cherokees are metal sided. This one does have the laminate siding all around. Out here you do have your outdoor speakers along with a TV mount, cable and satellite hookups, and an outlet. And up above that you do have a nice large lighted and power awning, and it also has a very bright LED security light. Over here you do get a nice little outdoor kitchen, so you get a Contour cube refrigerator, Contour ice maker, outside shower, and a Greystone grill. This unit does have multiple slides and tons of windows. And you do get two entry doors. So here's your main entry, and up there is your second entry that leads into your bedroom, which I'll show you in just a moment. Let's take a look inside. So I absolutely love this layout. It is an excellent couples coach option. As you can see, when you walk in the front door, you do have, if you turn left, you turn into your living room. Turn right, you turn into your kitchen. Great entertainment space. The only thing separating the two rooms is this nice little bar here. It does have a couple of bar stools. On your rear slides are two jackknife sofas, one on each slide. Again, you do get tons of natural light in here because of the windows. The windows are tinted, which will help keep it cool in the summertime, along with not being able to see inside. Over here is your entertainment space. Nice large entertainment center. It does have a radio and a fireplace. And then on the back side of your bar, you do get two of the Michelle K recliners. These are insanely comfortable. Now back in your kitchen area, over here you do have a booth on a slide. This booth will fold down into a bed along with the two jackknife sofas. So you could potentially fit 3 to 6 people. I'd say 3 adults, probably 6 kids. Also on your dinette slide is your nice large pantry. Opposite your dinette is your kitchen. So you do have a large single basin apron front sink with a pull down sprayer and a soap dispenser. Another thing with the Black Label products is it does have these gorgeous countertops here. And it does have the sink covers as well, which will offer you a little more counter space here. Or, if you just don't feel like doing dishes, you just want to make your kitchen look nice and pretty. Below that, you do have some cabinets along with drawers. You also have a 3-burner Greystone stovetop and oven. And on the back side of this oven, I'll show you this. First and foremost, you do have the glass backsplash that doubles as, again, extra counter space. Behind that is another essentially backsplash, but it also doubles as a cutting board. Now this is magnetic. As you can see, there are 4 metal strips there. The cutting board will magnetize to the wall. They're very strong magnets, so you don't have to worry about it falling off during travel. Up above that, you do get a Contour microwave, some more cabinetry, and over here is your Canon 12-volt refrigerator. This will run off of your battery, and as you're driving down the road, your truck will keep your battery charged, which will keep your food cold. Back through the hallway here, we have your bathroom. So as you can see, you get a nice size vanity, medicine cabinet, a huge residential shower, Has a seat in there, nice place to relax. And up above that, you do have a skylight, which offers a little more headroom. And then, of course, your toilet. Finally, back here in your bedroom, you do get a mirrored closet on each side of the bed, along with side open cabinets up top, which offer the ability to load and unload the cabinets without having to hold them open. And of course, your bed, there's storage underneath the bed. It does have the barn door style door, so it will slide over. And then over here, you get some closet space. And as I mentioned, this unit does have 2 entries. There's your second entry right here in the bedroom. One final thing about the bedroom, on each side of the bed there are USB ports and outlets, along with a nice little nightstand, so that if you have medical equipment or you need to charge your phone during the night, you're able to do that right here at the bed. And it does have a full walk around bed. If you'd like to see this unit in person, come check it out at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois.